does it work?
I don't know, but not this way.
How about this way? I love that you get cold when it's 71 degrees out. I love that it takes you an hour and a half to order a sandwich. I love that you get a little crinkle above your nose when you're looking at me like I'm nuts. I love that after I spend a day with you, I can still smell your perfume on my clothes. And I love that you are the last person I want to talk to before I go to sleep at night. And it's not because I'm lonely, and it's not because it's New Year's Eve. I came here tonight because when you realize you want to spend the rest of your life with somebody, you want the rest of your life to start as soon as possible.
Gabriella, a long time ago, I drew you a picture of how I wanted our life to be. It was a poorly drawn picture of two white swans flying side by side with some sloppily scribbled hearts in the margins. The swans represented me and you flying outside its open cage. I think of this picture a lot and how I truly believe it symbolizes our relationship. How our relationship is an expression of supporting each other through life.
Jamie, the first time I drove a car, you were the one in the passenger seat. The first time I moved away from home, you were my roommate. The first time I flew abroad, you were my travel partner. My first date was with you, my first kiss was with you, and my first time falling in love was with you. And I promise to keep making each one an adventure.
Love can only be forever if it's tended like a garden, with hard work, patience, and care. And I promise above all things that I will work hard, be patient, and care for you. Gabriella, I vow to love you forever.
Gabriella, 28 years ago, you changed our lives forever. Reason I went from being a couple to being a family. And for the first time, we truly understood what it meant to both give and receive unconditional love. We have watched you grow to become the beautiful person that you are, and we are in awe. We are so proud to be your parents, and so happy that you met someone as wonderful as Jamie.
But I think anyone that knows Jamie knows how amazing he is. People just gravitate towards him and want to be around him. Jamie, you are hilarious, smart, and are so special, and I'm so lucky to have you in my life.
With our constant teasing and bickers, it may seem chaotic from outsiders.
But when I jab at your sides and when you mock our imperfections, it comes from a place of love. You're not just my best friend. You're someone who will still tuck me in at night, even after our biggest fight.
And someone who will always be there for me, even when we're oceans apart.
We wanted to be the best parents we could be and spent hours playing, adoring the precious boy that we had been blessed with. What his future held, we had no idea. We dreamed that someday Jamie would grow up to be a happy, loving, compassionate human being. Watching Jamie grow into the man he has become today was one of my greatest joys ever.
Happy Marriage Day.
And to you, Gabi, we are thankful that you agreed to marry Jamie.
Marriage is more than just two people promising to be together. It's also about promising to be part of a bigger family. Not only do I have Gabriella as an amazing partner, but I have the Bensazons as a family. It's really, really nice to think that now I have 3 sisters instead of 1. 2 moms, I have 2 dads, and I have 3 flowery grandmothers. And of course, I have 1 new wife.
I remember the first time I met Jamie's family. It was the eve before Christmas on a really snowy day in 2007. We had a group of about 12 family members sitting around the dining room table, drinking the best red wine and raving over Scott and Judy's delicious meal. Then we all went to the living room and we chatted. And in conversation, it came up that I used to play piano. And someone asked me to play a song, and I instantly got a nervous pit in my stomach. But the moment my finger hit the key, I heard Julia softly singing along. And it wasn't long before everyone else joined in. And there I was in the Shearer living room playing that Hallelujah song from Shrek with everyone crowded around me singing along. And it was in that moment that I realized how special it is to be part of the Shearer family.